in case I haven't said this before, you should definitely paint your rifles. It's cool, it's very effective, and nobody cares about resale value, right? So if you have the ability, go grab a few cans of matte spray paint and just do a few wisps over it. It doesn't need to be complicated. You can see I just did green, brown, and tan in a few different patterns. Super easy to do, and it makes it blend in so much better than the original black. Black, as we talked about before, it stands out. Whether you're in the desert, whether you're in the woods, not many things in nature are black, and it will even high contrast against whatever it is you're wearing, and so everybody will be able to see, oh, that guy is a soldier, that guy is armed, he has this weapon system, and then you're giving the enemy information about you. But if you are kind of serving in like a law enforcement or a military type role, you might run into an issue where your superiors are going to have an aneurysm if you show up with a spray painted rifle. So what you can do instead is do temporary solutions like tape. So when you go out on exercises, you can get a roll of tape, and with it, you can just tape up your rifle like this. And just like that, you can obscure the shape of the rifle and give it a good pattern overall. And granted, does this look shitty? Absolutely. It doesn't look very good. But from a distance, just a little bit of tape is going to break up the shape of the rifle overall. So it's going to be very, very hard for anyone to identify what it is that you're holding, and it's much, much less likely to give you away overall. So super easy, and then you can just, when you're done, you just take it off,